Hi there. So just looking at a quick run through of a single leg deadlift. It's a really great exercise for working on stability in your hips and the strength in your legs. So take a second to feel how you're standing and that sort of thing, and feel your weight in your feet, how that's going into the ground. And then you can do this with just stabilizing with your back leg there, but to get the full benefit of the stability in your hips and your glutes and all of that, you're going to want to be raising your back leg, come up, your upper body comes forward, and then coming back to the starting position. What I feel like is really helpful to think about with this exercise is that you are on this angle between your leg and your butt on the standing leg, is opening up there, and then to close that angle again, you're sort of pulling down and closing that bit there. That makes sure that you're sort of really doing the work there and not kind of pulling yourself up with your lower back. And so when you're doing this, you want to try and keep a nice straight and tall body all the way through the movement, rather than kind of reaching down there. Like, it doesn't matter if you're touching the floor or not. The important thing is that you're working on moving from your hip here and going back and forward around there. One thing to think about when you're doing this is that you don't want your weight to be too far forward in your toes. So when you're finding your balance before you start, just come to settle around sort of your mid-foot or your heel, or your weight resting into you, coming down there. Your back leg doesn't need to be totally straight and locked out, but at the same time you don't want to be kind of bending it too much to do that. That's sort of a different thing. So try and keep that relatively nice and straight there, and your back leg as well, sort of quite nice and straight coming out behind you. Cool, thank you very much.